In this video, we will find solution of a differential equation dx plus e power 3x dy is equal to 0. We'll try to find out solution of this differential equation. What do we mean by solution? So by solution, we mean y which satisfies this equation. Okay? Y which satisfies this differential equation will be the solution of this differential equation. Now we apply variable separation method. So dx plus e power 3x dy is equal to 0. This implies that dx is equal to minus e power 3x dy. And then from this equation, I can write e power minus 3x dx. This will be equal to minus dy. Integrating e power minus 3x dx is equal to minus dy. Now, integration of e power minus 3x is minus 1 by 3 e power minus 3x. This is equal to, and integration of minus 1 is minus y plus c. All we need is to find out y here. So y will be equal to 1 by 3 e power minus 3x plus c. So this is the general solution of this differential equation here because it involves arbitrary constant. Once we have the condition, the initial condition, let's say y of 0 is equal to 1. So from this initial condition, we can find a particular solution, the value of c. So y of 0 is equal to 1 by 3 e power minus 3 0 plus c is equal to 1. So then 1 by 3 plus c will be equal to 1. So c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. C is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 3, which is 2 by. So in that case, if we impose this condition, initial condition, so in that case,